So branding versus marketing. Branding is how people see you, think, and talk about you. Marketing is what you tell people about you. So what happened when in our whole life, I'm talking about personal branding, okay, not business. In our whole life, we made choices that built who we are today, that create who we are today. Okay, the choice that you're making, saving money, okay, I'm gonna buy my house, good. The choice you're making to come in here today and learn new techniques, is the direction that you already set up in your mind that you're gonna go. Okay, that's how branding is making, even if your barbershop, okay, with your barbershop. If you want to elevate the skills of your barbershop, if you want to get noticed, more exposure, that's what you're doing. You're posting a lot on social media, you're working social media well, you're organizing the shop. So that's branding. You want to be out there, but in a good way. You make good choices. Marketing, how many people post on social media? They're driving a nice car, they're eating sushi every day, they're traveling, but when you look at their life, they ain't that. They're not that. They don't have the money. The car they're paying like thousands and thousands of dollars for that car. They don't have money. They don't have a stable work. Marketing is what you tell people about you. Whatever you post and you showing outside, you exposing for other people, it's what you're telling. But who you are, who you exactly are. Let's think about this in one word. If I ask, Dad, in one word, describe someone humble, happy, in one word. What you say about him in your mind? How you describe him in one word? So ambition, all men in the planet has ambition. Some people has low, some people has really low, some people has medium, some people has lots of ambition. So ambition is really good for us as a man, so we can grow. But there's no in English. So when you think about marketing, you thinking about what people thinking about you, because you're thinking, you look at yourself and you say, oh, I'm like this, but what people around you thinking about you? He's thinking something different about you. You know, it's not bad, but I'm saying, but people could be thinking something bad. That goes for your clientele too. That goes for your co-workers. You think, oh, I'm a good leader. Sometimes your co-worker doesn't see you like that. So that's the difference between branding and marketing. So everything you do is causing a positive or negative impact. Whatever you put on social media, how you dress, how you say, how you talk, how you walk in the shop. You walked in the shop like this, or you walk in happy, or you walk in grumpy. So that causes an impact in your team. So every choice we make, something positive or negative impact happen. Okay, so we need to look for what kind of salary do you have right now? What kind of salary do you want? Do you aim at what you want in the future? What type of client do you have today? What type of client do you want for tomorrow? So depending on how you communicate, how you express, how you are, we will make a total difference we will define who's sitting in your chair, what type of clientele you have in your chair. We are the writers of our own story. It means that we are the ones that have the pen and paper, and we're writing our own future. Personal branding, that's what I was talking before. Everything you have done from your child to now, the choices that you make, whatever people taught you, is who you are today. If you have money, if you deep on debt, if you are an angry person, if you're not focused, if you're not organized, everything you are today, even if you're a bad parent, even if you're a bad person even if you're a bad husband, everything creates who you are today by our communication, our vision communication, how people see you, how you dress, what you post, verbal communication, how you talk. Like everybody here talk like nice, low voice, you guys respect. I can tell guys respect. That's how I see you guys. That's how you guys are. So clients are the same. People around you are the same. The body communication, it talks a lot. And if you come and walk in your shop every day grumpy, like this, what you are saying, what you translate to your team, right? So positioning. Positioning means when you take a position in a certain aspect. Let's say if I say I vote for Trump. What is the first thing comes to your mind? Maybe I don't like immigrants. Maybe I'm arrogant. Maybe, what about if I'm gay, right? What are you gonna think? Oh, he likes men too. He becomes a part of the LGBT plus Q thing. When I position myself, people start judging you. People start saying, "Oh, Luis is a communist." so Luis is a communist, and then you start relating Luis with all this other stuff. Yeah. So when you post on social media, I vote for Trump, all your clients will look at it. Is when you're positioning. All your clients that hate Trump might not go into your shop anymore, might complain, might put some bad hate talk